Okay, here's the next fan for me to video. This is a Superlectric box fan. As y'all know, I have one just like this one that comes with the original box. Well, that one's new old stock. This one here was an eBay buy and does not have the box. This one's pretty much like the other one I have, except it's a bit older and has a different motor. Of these two Superlectric box fans, this one here is my true childhood box fan, as it has the same motor that as the one that we had when I was a kid. So we'll do an overall look around, then we'll fire it up. As you can see, it's the same color as the other one. And here's the difference. This is the motor this one has. That other Superlectric box fan I have has the later motor with the plastic shells. This one's got the metal shells. Yeah, this is the same. This is the kind of motor that Superior Electric originally used for their box fans. And unlike the later plastic shell ones, these motors have oil holes in them, or holes for oiling, whereas the later plastic ones, you have to take them apart in order to oil them, or maybe stick a tube through a port in the shell, or one of the vent ports in the shell, I mean. But it's probably more accurate if you take the motor apart. However, Val told me these particular motors were somewhat known for bearing issues. Also, the back grill to this one's kind of just a bit yellowed, which of course for the case of this fan, yellowing kind of makes it take on kind of a bright green hue, as these grills are supposed to be a pale blue. Turn this thing back around. On a really special, here's the top. And you can see it's got the same knob and speed sticker as the other one I have. And it's the same model, 2702. Yeah, just like the other one, it's also just a 2-speed. Well, so is the fan that my family and I had when I was a kid. And a very special note, this is not the original handle. Now, this is a little packing handle I happened to stumble upon in a parking lot on a post where I was working. I thought maybe it'd work for this fan, and sure enough it does. Here's the original handle. can see, it's pretty broken. It appears it became less flexible when it broke. Well, it was broken when I got the fan. I had the seller ship the handle with it so I could try to fix it, but all to no avail. I guess I may keep this around for if I ever decide to re-video the fan at some point. So anyway, let's run it. Use high. It seems to run a little slower than the other one I had, but not by much. And here's low. Just like the other one, has a nice quiet low. Oh, the other one's probably a bit lower. Back to high. And off. The motor, when starting it up on high, kind of has a little bit of a buzz to it, but it's not very much of one. It only does that though when the motor's cool. When it warms up, it goes away. Has a decent coast down time. Yet the other one, when I turn it off after it's been warmed up, it sometimes takes forever to stop spinning. So there you have it. This is my second late 70s Superlectric box fan. Thank you for watching. And tomorrow I'll probably bring out the other one for a revisit. And then after that, I'll probably do a video of both of them together. So, thank you for watching.